Hi guys, I'm back. Today we're gonna make some French dressing. I'm gonna do this real quick. It's real easy to make, and the ingredients. It's 6 ingredients. Real easy. So what I'm gonna do first is I've got a little bit of onion. And this is a French dressing. It's so good. So I'm going to chop me up some onion. Some people like a lot of onion. Some like just a little bit. And I like a little bit. And I like it diced real fine. So I'm going to dice my onion up. I've already got everything pretty much measured out here and ready to go. Scallions would really be good in this. So I'm going to take my onions, put it in my bowl. I've got just a little like a Rubbermaid type bowl that I'm going to put my dressing in. And then it's a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Let me move this down so you can sort of see what I'm doing. I don't have a good angle for in here in this kitchen. It's sort of small. And do a dash. I don't know what a dash is to you guys, but a dash to me was a couple of shakes, 2 or 3 shakes. Okay, so I'm going to use a 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. Just plain white vinegar. 1/4 of a cup. There's 1/4 of the vinegar, and then a 1/3 cup of ketchup. Isn't that crazy? Shake up your ketchup. 1/3 of a cup. Throw that in there. And then a cup of oil. Cup of oil. And then 1/2 a cup of sugar. So this fills this little Rubbermaid bowl up, I mean almost to the top. So I'm going to take a knife. It's easier this way. Look, I set out a bowl to mix it in. Let's just put it in there. This is where the container that I will store it in. And I'm going to take a whisk. I'm going to whisk it up. I don't know about you guys, but like when I go to a restaurant, I can tell if I really like the restaurant if they've got a good French dressing. I can remember at Bartholomew's downtown in Madisonville, they always had a good salad dressing. This recipe happens to be Dorothy Puryear's. She's a friend of Mama's. And we want to keep Dorothy and her family in our prayers right now. She had a stroke. She's in a nursing home right now in Owensboro. And we want to just keep her in our hearts and say prayers. And this is the outcome. This is the French dressing. And you want to shake it up really good when you put it on your salad. I shouldn't have thrown that out. Now I need something to scoop this out with. And you guys, this is an awesome dressing. I was wanting a salad a while ago because I came in and I was hot and I just wanted something cool and crisp and I didn't want the bottled salad dressing that I have. So this is what I'll store it in, and before I use it I can give it a good shake, and it's that simple. It's I've got it on my phone. I have to send it to my friend Kim every now and then because she loses hers. And this is how I've got it on my phone. Isn't that funny? I've got a jar of it. I usually have it in a mason jar, but it's a dash of Worcestershire, a fourth of a cup of vinegar, a third cup of ketchup, a cup of oil, a half a cup of sugar, and diced onion. It's just that simple, and it makes a really good salad dressing. Um, and it's just stuff that I happen to have here at the house. I don't have to go buy anything special. This is stuff that most people have in their home, you know. So that was my dilly do for the day, and I am probably going to go and watch the marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I'm on season 3, episode probably about 6 or 7 now. I love it. So everybody have a great day, and I'll talk to you all later. Toodle-oo.